Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you what's inside this ENC Shops 50-foot high cube plug door boxcar for the Stone Container Corporation. Now, this is a ENC Shops, but I think they are closely related to LBF because I had another one back here that I already built. And some of the parts were very similar. So, we've got the instructions, obviously, like you do with every kit. You see, it's a very, very similar kit, how the weights are held in and how the underframe is done. And you might notice that that piece is familiar, because it came in with the gondola. It's right here. So, here we have the main shell. Very nice printing. It's not as good as, a high-end car, but I would say it's pretty good for, like, I don't know, kit for this era. We've got a very thin weight. I think these cars will be needing extra weight. We've got the coupler boxes. We've got the weight holders. I just dropped something. We've got some walkways and what looks like handrails. I don't know what exactly those are. I think I'm correct. We've got some ladders. We've got the underframe detail. We've got some what goes to the brake rigging, brake wheels, stirrup steps, which I don't know why you need them because you already have them on the car. Who knows? Trucks with metal wheels, roof, and extra assorted details. Then we've got one coupler, 4 screws. I thought it came with 2 couplers last time I checked. Well, it came with 2 couplers the first time I opened this, but as you can see, it only has 4 screws and 1 coupler. I must have missed it somewhere in the box. Whatever, but you get the idea. Here's the couplers and the screws, and that's basically it for the unboxing.